I am profoundly saddened at the passing away of our beloved Holy Father, Pope Francis. His unwavering commitment to the Church and his dynamic endeavors in promoting peace, interreligious dialogue, social justice, and care for creation will be long remembered and cherished. His untiring efforts to bring the love of God to those on the peripheries, offering hope to the dejected and opening the healing face of the Church to the wounded, will go a long way in presenting the true face of our Lord Jesus Christ. His vision to transform the Church into a synodal community, one that listens, discerns, journeys together, and embraces inclusivity, has left an indelible mark on the Church at all levels. I, along with all the faithful of this archdiocese, deeply mourn the loss of this inspiring and compassionate shepherd of the Church. May his soul find eternal peace in the loving arms of our Heavenly Father.